comment, like, and subscribe. This morning I'm on my way to see Todd Wester in his new speed shop in Benson. I've been there before, but I haven't videoed anything. So he's having a cars and coffee. So I figured follow these choices of what I want to drive. I'm going to actually drive the TTSaleen today. So let's get it warmed up and get some cars moved around so I can get it out of here.
Cats are in the truck.
So somebody took them off, but they let you have them.
Yeah.
That's good.
And I kind of want to put them back on because we're about to pass out by smelling it, the fumes.
Yeah. Oh, like the fuel vapor.
Yeah,
you can smell it real bad.
Especially
yeah.
when you're sitting at a light.
Yeah.
I had the gun.
Oh yeah, it looks good.
The bumper isn't like.
Oh, I see you got the 360 camera on the back.
Oh yeah, I don't actually have the camera yet.
Yeah, no. I understand. Because I mean, y'all never outrun me before, but I understand.
I just listen. Okay, you know how you feel about that right here?
Yes. Yes. He's here. Thank you for coming.
Hey man, good to see you.
Good to see you, brother.
Great turnout.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I hope the guy don't mind I parked in his car lot over there.
I don't give a damn. Yeah.
Now I just want to get some footage of your shop, man.
It's good to meet you. Yeah. What's all? Hopefully. Yeah.
What's up, stranger?
What you doing?
No, you know.
Oh, I wagon's got a third row and facing the back. So yeah, I was gonna say his wagon. It's just kind of hard to hear the back. It's real simple, right? Back facing opposite directions. Have any pictures of it, or anybody got pictures of it? I got a guy written for just talking.
Cool car, man.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it. I used motors. I just stuck those are like I like the territory. I have no problem showing up.
Hey, how's it going?
All right, man. Good to see you.
Yes, sir. You too.
Great
Appreciate you coming
turnout
out
today, man.
Yeah, we're trying for the first one.
Yeah.
So
Chris said you're gonna do it more regular now.
Yeah, the goal is to try to get one off once a month from like March to November or so. Obviously
Okay.
the March one and the November one may be weather pending.
Yeah.
But the plan is to try to get one once a month, get people out here. You know, you cruise the track from here, just kind of hang out with your buddies, just something to do on the weekends. And we feel like the town of Benson rolls the sidewalks up at 7 o'clock or on the weekends. So just something to do that's, you know,
I like it.
low buck, come out and enjoy yourself.
Well, especially with the variety. I thought it was gonna be an LS Fest. You know, but
That was our whole goal. A little bit of everything.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, it turned out really nice, man.
Yes,
a lot
sir.
of good car and a beautiful day for it.
Absolutely.
And I saw you got the food trucks over there too, so that's a nice perk.
We do. We
Yep.
do. Got a breakfast tacos and things around the corner with Charlotte coffee around. Where
Okay.
hopefully she's coming back. You know, maybe not every time, but
Yeah.
most of them. We'll try to have at least a vendor out for it.
Nice.
Yeah.
All
Yes,
right,
sir.
man. Good to see you.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, yeah.
My little homeboy. Out of Four Oaks.
Oh yeah.
Not expecting all of this.
Excuse me. All right. Well, a really nice event. Beautiful day for it. Got to go out and support Todd Western, his new shop, and Chris. Got to see a bunch of old friends with Rusty and John Doc. And still, it was a great day. Drove the TTSaleen out. Of course, it did flawless because it is just an unbelievably great street car. We were talking about how back in the day, having something like this was ridiculous. And now, it's so common. You can take a brand new Coyote vehicle and slap a Whipple Stage 2 on it and make 800 to 900 horsepower. It's just 1,000 horsepower just ain't what it used to be. You know, when I built this back in 2008 and 9, 1,000 was the goal. But anyway, just wanted to say, hope you liked the video. just going out supporting local speed shops and hanging out with some old friends and seeing a bunch of cool cars. And we'll talk to you soon. Hey, you know I can't let you go without a quick pull. So I got it turned down. It's only like 19 pounds peak, but at 19 pounds of boost, it actually hooks pretty well. Ridiculously fast. It's so deceiving because it's so quiet with the exhaust on it. Now that's with the 275 Pro radials on the back. You can imagine on street tires, wouldn't have a chance. Nice thing is it spins, but it's pushing the car forward. Alright, that'll be it. Made it home. Finish off the video with both twin turbo cars.